Hey everyone. If you're an Instagram user, you know how useful the pin and unpin feature is to highlight your posts at the top of your profile. But recently, many people have noticed that the option to pin or unpin posts has mysteriously disappeared. Frustrating, right? Don't worry. In this video, I'll share some simple fixes that might help you bring back that missing pin-unpin option. First up, update your Instagram app. Sometimes features just vanish when you're using an outdated version of the app. So make sure to head to the Play Store or App Store and check for updates. Once you've updated Instagram, the pin-unpin option should pop back up. Next, clear Instagram app cache. If updating didn't work, the issue might be a corrupted cache. Clearing it could fix things. For Android users, just go to your phone's settings, find Instagram under Apps, tap on Storage and Cache, and hit Clear Cache. This should help reset the app's functions. Still not working? Try logging out and logging back in. Sometimes it's a simple temporary glitch with your account or the app. Logging out and back in can refresh things and hopefully solve the issue. And finally, if all else fails, report the problem to Instagram. This could take anywhere from 6 to 24 hours to get resolved, but it's your best shot if the other fixes didn't work. To report the issue, just go to your profile, tap the 3 lines at the top right, head to Help, and report the problem. I've also provided a message template you can use. Just copy and paste it. That's it for now. Try these methods, and hopefully, you'll have that pin-unpin option back in no time. Thanks for watching.